Now let's take the test. The test question says you should work out 2 times 4 plus 7. What is 2 times 4 plus 7? Remember, order of operation, BODMAS. We have 2 operations, which is multiplication and addition. So we have to multiply before we add. So this gives you 2 times 4 is 8 plus 7. And the next step is addition, which is 8 plus 7, which is 15 as our answer. So our answer is 15, which is C.